Hello, Mavia. How are you, man?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also great. What are you doing right now?
It's my free period.
Oh, it's free period. Should we go for library?
Yes, we can go.
Okay, that's great.
Hi, Himanshu.
Hi,
Hello, dude. What are you doing?
I'm studying about the aliens and their types.
What? Oh, are you learning from aliens book?
Yeah,
Oh, it's very boring, man. We several times learn about it. Let's read something new. Yeah, it's a good idea. Mavia, please take any book. Oh, what is this? It is so old type. OMG. What is this? I don't know. What the language is this?
What are you reading? Can you please tell me?
I don't know what is this reading.
Oh, actually, this is Hindi language, which is splitting a century over. But my great grandfather knows about it, and he teaches my grandfather, and my grandfather teaches to my father, and my father teaches to me. So I know what is
Can you
this.
please read and
Yeah, I will read it.
yeah, sure.
Maybe it's so interesting. Okay, let's start.
प्रिय डायरी 26 जनवरी 1950। आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि आज हमारे स्वतंत्र देश में पहला गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया जा रहा है। आज ही के दिन हमारा कानून बन के सभी के सामने आया, जो कि इस पूरी दुनिया का सबसे बेहतरीन कानून है। ये कानून हमारे डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जी की निगरानी में बनाया गया और इस स्वतंत्र देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री हमारे जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी हैं। और इस देश के कानून बनने के बाद ये जो जश्न मनाया जा रहा है, ये जश्न कानून बनने से ज़्यादा देश की आज़ादी के लगता है कि देश स्वतंत्र हो चुका है। देश 1947 में ही स्वतंत्र हो गया था, लेकिन हमारे देश का कानून बनने में थोड़ा समय लगा, और लगे भी क्यों ना, क्योंकि कानून बनना कोई आसान काम नहीं है। हमारे देश को आज़ाद कराने के लिए कई महापुरुषों ने अपना खून बहाया है, जैसे शहीद भगत सिंह, तात्या तोपे, झांसी की रानी और गांधी जी, और भी कई नाम हैं। आज मुझे गर्व है, और गर्व क्यों ना हो कि मैं इस देश का एक नागरिक हूँ जो कि अब सबसे अच्छे कानून वाले देश में रहता है, जो देश अब आज़ाद हो चुका है। अब हम गांधी जी का जो सपना था कि जहाँ सब लोग मिलजुल कर रह सके, हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि ये देश वैसा रहे और हमारी हिंदी संस्कृति, उर्दू संस्कृति और भी जो संस्कृतियाँ हैं वो जिंदा रह सके। धन्यवाद डायरी।
Guys, it's an amazing story.
Yes.
I don't know what happened in our past. Our seniors has done a lot of sacrifice for us. And I don't know, but how can I say thank to them? And we also don't know that we are slaves over 4 centuries before. It is an amazing diary. I want this diary to be safe, and I want this story should be listened by all the peoples which are living right now. And not just only our school friends, I think we want to make some shows about it, because nobody knows what happened in our past. And one more thing, nobody knows this language also. And it's very shameful for us that Hindi is our language, Urdu is our language.
Yes.
And we are not
know
speaking
about it.
Yes, we are speaking English. And listen one thing,
Yes.
we are slaves of Englishmen, and I think we are also slaves right now. Not by physical, but by mentally we are until now slaves. So we should have to stop this thing and give a rebirth to our Indian culture.
We can do it, man.
Yes, but right now we have to take a pledge, and we can't take pledge in library because
We have to.
yes, because we have to be a silent person in library, and we are going to be a silent person. So let's go to the field, and there we will take a pledge. Let's go, boys. Guys, let's take a pledge that we are not going to exchange our Hindi language and Urdu language and our Indian cultures. And one more thing, that we will always remember our freedom fighters and tell everybody about it. Are you guys ready about it?
Yes, we can
Let's
do it.
go!